Welcome back. You're watching Brand Equity and I'm Sonali Krishna. Well, we all know that Goa is a go-to destination for anyone who wants to have a good time. And when the year end is near, what also pulls people to Goa is the Sunburn Music Festival. Launched in 2007, the first ever electronic dance music festival in India has grown steadily in popularity and scale. So much so that it's become a magnet of sorts for advertisers. It started out with a modest 3 brands and now boasts of over 17 large brands. Given the kind of interest and encouragement it's got from sponsors, Sunburn is all set to make its foray on the global platform in 2012. Sakhi Deshpande tracks the success story and also gets a sense of the festival's expansion plans that are on the cards.
It wasn't too long ago that popular music in India was just the masala that Bollywood fed its audiences. But with more exposure to global influences and trends, what was popular with the Indian masses is now getting redefined. The first one to foresee this trend was Percept. It launched the Sunburn Festival in 2007. Held every year at the Gondolin Beach in Goa, Sunburn is now in its 5th year and growing steadily in popularity. What started with a measly 10,000 attendees has now grown to over 1 lakh attendees this year. And owing to this, Sunburn is all set to go global in 2012.
So there is potential for this brand now to move to other countries, and there is a desire. We've already got confirmations from Canada, Sri Lanka, Bali, Dubai, and these are interesting markets to go and explore. So I think for once India can be proud and excited about a brand which is not coming from overseas to India but from India going to abroad.
There are plans galore, but they're also backed by solid growth, be it 17 sponsors in 2011 as compared to only 3 that it started out with. As far as investments are concerned, that too has seen a spike and grown to about $6 million. A look at the media spend, and from being a few lakhs in 2007, it accounted to as much as 20 crore rupees in 2011. And when we talk about success, brands are bound to jump onto the bandwagon. Sunburn is providing a platform like no other for major brands like Absolute, Red Bull, MTV and YouTube that have attached themselves to the festival.
It's not a cheap event to attend. It's for the affluent young urban Indian, as I see it. And I don't think there's another festival in Asia which possibly gets together so many young people at one place enjoying themselves, not only about the music but about the overall experience. Given that Absolute is a brand which is for the youth and which is in a category which defines trends, we will be participating closely with Percept and Sunburn.
Now as Sunburn gets set to take the big leap, will these current partnerships translate into long-term ones at the international level as well?
Well, globally our partnership with Music Festival goes beyond just being a partner in terms of product sales. We also actively partner in programming the festival. So for example, at Sonar, which is the world's largest electronic music festival, we have a Red Bull Music Academy stage where all talent which has come through the Red Bull Music Academy is given a chance to be part of. And that's something we will actively look at and integrating into Sunburn with in the future. This is a start, a great start, and we'll obviously take it forward in the years to come.
Yes, many clubs all around may soon sport a similar deserted look. The successful International Music Festival that invariably gets talked about come year end is planning to launch music cafes, nightclubs and a merchandise range to make a more permanent mark in the minds of the young music lovers all around. Not just in the country but also internationally. With multinational brands already on board, Percept's job to make an international impression seems to have become much easier. So the likes of Sonar, Glastonbury and Mysteryland better watch out.
And with that, we come to an end of this episode of Brand Equity. We'd love to hear from you, so do write into brandequity@etnow.tv or alternatively text us at 58888 with your feedback. You can also join our Facebook page, that's facebook.com/brandequity, to be up to speed with all that's happening in the world of brands. You can now also follow us on Twitter @brandequitylive. I'll see you next week, same time, same place. Until then, goodbye.